It's Reels tutorial time, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a duet video, or as my good friend Deb Cole likes to call it, a reaction video. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Instagram app and then find the video that you want to do a duet with. So right now I'm going to Dan Henry and I'm picking one of his videos. It's about VIP plans. I really liked it. I was reacting to it when I watched it, so I knew it would be a good duet / reaction video.
Have you ever thought about what airlines offer first?
So there's the video that I like. So all I did was I clicked on that video in his Reels, right? I clicked on that video.
There's always a section of customers.
I'm like, yeah,
always want
I agree.
best. I mean,
And then now what I just did, let me see if I can go back for like a millisecond, right? Now when I go back, I'm looking at that remix button. Do you see this remix button right here? Remix, you see it? So I went ahead and I clicked on the remix button.
meaning if there's more leg room.
And then now it says, how would you like to do your clip? So I chose the with original video and not after it. So while the video is playing, I want to remix it and react to it. And, you know, I'm like, if the video is short enough, you could do the next one after the video. So they watch the video and then you react to it after. But I think the remix with original video is the best option. That's my personal opinion. So let's keep going.
They'll buy it.
So that's what I chose. And then now it has his video there. You can see to choose the layout. So I wanted to be on the right-hand side. So now along the bottom of the screen, I'm just looking at different filters. So I can pick any filter that I want to have with it. So I'm going to just pick a filter, maybe something that's colorful. Can't really tell much. This just brings more light into it. And then all I do is I am using this button right here, right? You see that button to now, you know, say, okay, let's go. Recording it. Here we go.
In any market, there's
I'm just
always
reacting.
a section of customers that will always want the best. I mean, if there's more leg room, they'll buy it. If there's first class available.
So you can see I'm just reacting to it, and then it just goes all the way down, and I'm reacting to it. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to click that next button, and it's going to post it on my page.
Meaning if there's more leg room, they'll buy it. If there's first class available, they'll buy it.
Yep. And so I click next, it posted on my page. And that's it. I had a reaction video. How easy is this reel to do? So find somebody's video that's already doing good. Make sure you tag them in the video and react to it. And then as you write your caption, make sure you're using the right hashtags and letting people know that you're doing a duet with them. It'll say that on your reel anyway. It works. It's easy to do. Such a no-brainer when it comes to creating fast and easy content for Reels. So do a duet video / reaction video, as my friend Coach Deb likes to call it, but whatever it is. Do these kind of videos. They're so easy, so much fun. And I've gotten quite a few views from it. You know, it's over at 2,000 views 24 hours later, and it just keeps growing. So, all right, bye.